Hey everybody, welcome back. Check it out. You've seen the Phantom 4 that I had before. Now we got the Mavic Pro Platinum Fly More combo. The Platinum obviously means it's got different ESCs, quieter propellers, more flight time, a little bit different specs in there. This is the package. It doesn't come with much, but the Fly More combo comes with a couple extra batteries, lots of extra props, and a bunch of extra stuff. So we'll start unboxing it here and we'll show you. Okay, well, you notice here we got one battery, two battery, three batteries. Comes with this carrying case as well, which is pretty cool. It's got lots of compartments, and I don't even know what you put in all these places yet. Have to get to that point. But it should all fit in this bag, I'm hoping. That'd be really handy for taking it out, backpacking, whatever. Here's your manual. Here's a strap for the bag. You can see everything's packed in there. This is cool. This here is a, it's got everything taped up so well. This turns your Mavic battery into a USB charging hub. How cool is that? Oops. Here's the transmitter. This is kind of a gimbal protector, foam gimbal protector. Get this plastic off of here. We ain't gonna need that. Here we have a hub for charging 4 batteries at a time. There's a 12-volt charger, so you can charge your batteries in your car. Here is the main charger. And here's the cord that plugs into that. So then obviously you'd take this, plug it into here, and then you could charge all your batteries at one time. And it comes with a mini USB plug. I thought I read it comes with a lightning plug, which I hope it does, because that's what I have for my Apple stuff. Here we have like a 90-degree plug of some sort. And this is another one of some sort. I'm hoping one of them is a lightning plug. I read it up and it's supposed to come with one. Oh, there's little, I don't know what these things are in this package here. Hard to get out. They have these little plastic things. Here's another one, mini USB to something else. Still don't see what would work as a lightning plug. Nothing else in here. Oh, we got some stuff in there. Oh, there we have some propellers. Lots of spare propellers. And I guess that's it. I don't see much else here. Oh, they slide into a little holder in there. Pretty sure this should open further. There we go. Okay, you can see we got a lot of propellers. And that's it in there. Okay, I don't see a lightning plug. It's kind of a bummer. I'm going to have to research that a little better. Anyways, the drone you can see, pretty awesome. I've never seen one in person yet, so this is all new to me. There it is. Not much to it. I'm impressed. It looks really cool. There's the gimbal. You have a couple protectors on here. You got this one, which you obviously want to take off, otherwise you get nasty reflections, and then there's another one on the back. So, okay, remember I was looking for the lightning plug? They already had it in the transmitter, which is cool. So that explains why I couldn't find that. There you go. Okay, so to charge your batteries, obviously your hub is going to be like this, and the deals are in here, so they're going to clip onto there like so. And you can do 4 of those. On the side of this here is actually an update port. I don't know what you update exactly, the batteries maybe? I guess you could do it that way. One other thing, this long mini USB cable it comes with plugs into here. And then this is how you charge your transmitter. So you'll take the plug out of the side and you'll plug this into the transmitter. This is the charge port, this is not. So be sure to check out my iPad holder in another video. Anyways, these little tabs, you pull them straight down and then they'll slide open. And this side here you'll see it already comes with an SD card installed. 16 gig. Hope that shows up for you guys. Very cool. There's a little switch there. You can choose Wi-Fi or RC. So you can fly this Wi-Fi from your phone as well, but your range is not so great. So there's that. And the other side here, there's another one as well. So we'll slide that down. There's where you're going to plug the mini USB into a computer or whatever to update it. So that's going to be my next step. So I'm going to do the updating and the other stuff and charge it up, and then we'll come back. Okay, I've got it hooked up and we're rolling through the screens here. I've done some of the things I entered. You can name it whatever you want. We'll call it JV's Mavic Pro Platinum. Default mode 2. I hope that shows up for you guys. You can see kind of mode 2 is US, that's pretty normal. You can select what you want the buttons to do. I'm not going to change that, I can change it later. Here's all the info on what all the buttons, or not the buttons, but all the stuff on the screen does. You can see here which is on. Didn't take long to charge it, by the way, which is cool. In TSC, we don't really want metric. We'll go with imperial. We do not want beginner mode. This is my email. It wants to confirm my account and activate, and it's connecting to the server now. Successfully activated. So you can do flight simulator or tutorials for beginners. I don't really care too much about either of those right now. Skip. There we go. It's in the house, so ignore. Let me point it at something better here. Give you guys a little bit of view. Oh man, underneath it, that thing is smoking hot already. It has a fixed wing mode. Flies at a constant speed, that's pretty cool. That was really quick and easy. And I'm really surprised being in the house here. It picked up 14 satellites, that's just ridiculous. Anyway, there you go guys, that's pretty rad. So that was all it took for setup. I'm going to check and see if there's any updates it needs or not, but other than that, it appears to be ready to go. Pretty crazy. Okay, fooling around and going back to the main menu, it did say that it needed to do an update, and here it goes. It also had another option of an update improving the geofencing of the drone, which I have no interest in. I'm smart enough to know not to fly next to an airport, and you should be too if you own one of these, or any RC vehicle. It's because of you guys that don't have the common sense that we're in the boat we are now. So anyways, you can see it's downloading really fast, 50% already. So hopefully this doesn't make the thing non-flyable. Okay everybody, here we are. I've got everything calibrated and set up. Got my screen on here, as you can see. Everything's up and running. Here goes the maiden takeoff. I haven't flown it yet, so I'm just going to simply push the sticks together and we'll power it up. Wow, very solid. I'm not touching anything. Working flawlessly. I love how quiet it is compared to the Phantom 4 I had. I'm going to move it back out here a little bit further and I'll get you guys into view. It is just locked on solid. Unbelievable. I'll take a picture right here. There's a picture. I'll spin it around here and look at us. This is all in stable mode. Now it's giving me a compass error. Which I guess I'll have to recalibrate that again. You can see it's not drifting too bad. It's doing pretty good. Get her zoomed in here for you guys. I put a little shark's tooth on the front, but you can't tell in this amount of light. Pretty cool though. Let's go for a little trip. It's doing great. I'm sure you guys are all schooled on these things, but you can see the screen here. I don't have a screen recorder, but everything's looking fantastic. Do a little distance, see what happens. Here it comes. I love how quiet this thing is. It's great. I'm going to point you guys down here. We're going to take her in and land it. Now it won't land. Oh, there it goes. Kind of paused there and then it did the rest of the way. So anyways, there's the Maiden Flight, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll have a couple clips in the video here showing what it took on the Maiden. Let's get you in here and get a good look at it. Show you the mouth I put on it, because I think it looks really cool. Love it. Alright guys, getting a big thumbs up from me. Big thumbs up. So like, comment, subscribe. Alright guys, so I did a compass recalibration. Everything's been great since. My initial thoughts here on this transmitter is it's too flippin' small. You can't really grab it anywhere without hitting a button. You got buttons here, dials here, you got buttons back here on all sides. Seems like every time I try to move my hands I hit a button. So other than that, minor complaint I guess, because if you want something compact, that's just how it's got to be. Maybe it's better if I don't have a huge tablet on there, but I'll get used to it. I love the quietness of the drone there. It is very quiet. The Platinum I think is awesome for the money. My P4 was pretty loud, which is not a big deal, but you know, a little extra quiet's okay. That was a pretty short flight. There's 29% left in the battery, but I did all the setup and everything on this battery, so we'll put another one in. It's pretty cold out here, and do a flight and see what kind of flight time we get, and I'll report back with that as well. So hope you enjoyed it and helped you a little bit.
I've been looking for